Welcome back to the old channel. This morning we've woken up just outside Bude, or just outside Widmouth Bay actually. Like Bude is just sort of over there, and then Widmouth Bay is obviously right there where the waves are breaking. So we are just sort of north of Widmouth Bay. I'll chuck the what three words of this park up because it is an epic park up on the screen now. It's not on the Park for Night app or anything. My uncle actually told me about this park up, but it is a pucker one. There's another park up further down the road, just down there. You couldn't get a caravan or anything like that up here. It's a bit tight, and I wouldn't go any further down the road. There's absolutely no chance you're going to get even my van down there. I've tried and it's sketchy as hell. Don't know what the plan is today. As ever, I think we're going to go hit the beach, take the dogs out. We might have a go some surfing, so we'll see how that goes. So yeah, we'll see what this video brings. Woo! So we've obviously just come from Bude or Widmouth, which is kind of north east Cornwall. It's only just on the Devon border, I think, as I said earlier. So decided that we're going to head down as far west as probably Perranporth, which is kind of, I don't know, 20 minutes sort of west of Newquay. We're going to go down as far as there today to get all the driving done. Then over the course of the next sort of few days, I think we're going to then head back west, like, you know, Newquay, Tintagel, like Barwith, and then head back up the coast into Devon, and then towards the end of the week, head into Wales. So that's what we're going to do today. So get all the driving done today, then after that, little bit of driving each day, visiting all the little villages throughout North Cornwall, and then up into Wales. So that is the plan. Yeah, rock and roll. Decided that if I'm going to go and try surfing for the first time, I probably need a wetsuit, and I saw a big sign that says 70% off at this surf shop. So let's try on a few wetsuits. Sketch. Been a bit of a funny day, or a couple of days really. We ended up down in Perranporth, but it was absolutely packed and overcrowded. We couldn't find anywhere to park, so we just parked up half an hour, went for a wander, and that was it. So we moved on from there, didn't stay the night, just spent an hour or half an hour there. Then we went on to Holywell, just down the beach, to try and find a spot there. Now the beach was absolutely stunning, but again, you couldn't find anywhere to park, so we were just there for a few minutes really, no more than about an hour or a couple of hours tops. Again, I should have got the camera out really, because it was absolutely stunning, that beach. And then this is all in one day. We went from there to Newquay, and this is where we are now. We're just on like this peninsula in Newquay. So we stayed here for the night. The signs that say that no motorhomes or camping between 11 PM and 8 AM, but we stayed here anyway, haven't had any trouble. Again, I'll chuck the what three words of this park up on the screen now. I'll get the drone out as well and just fly over in a second so you can see exactly where we are. It was alright, it was okay. It was £8, well, it was supposed to be £8.70 for 24 hours, but I haven't paid for parking. And I've spoke to a few of the other vans that are sat here as well, and they haven't paid for parking. See what today's plan bring. I think I'm just going to go for a rub and BMX, to be fair, at the skate park, and maybe get the surfboards out. We'll see. Take every day as it comes, but yeah, it's been a bit of a funny one really. Just I think it's a Saturday, so it's just been mad busy everywhere. I'm quite looking forward to like tomorrow to come, which is Monday, and then hopefully everything will quieten down a little bit. But it's just typical, isn't it? It's like coming up to holiday season, then it's weekend, it's gonna be busy. So yeah, we'll see where it comes, or what the video brings. Could be anything. So after driving past about 1 million absolutely packed Cornish beaches, we've come across this gem. Look at it. It's Trevenor Beach. It's obviously like a little private beach, or not a little locals beach. There's hardly anyone here. It's paying display, so you can't park over here at night. Someone said to me at the skate park earlier that Cornwall is the paying display capital of the world, and I think he was bloody right. But really, really good spot. We'll have to find a park up later on, but the plan is to spend the day here and just chill out really. The sun's shining, it's beautiful, and as we work our way through the rest of the week, we'll be doing some things that are a little bit more exciting, I hope, when the beaches are a little quieter. So yeah, sweet. So we've parked up just outside Padstow. It's on this thing called the Camel Trail, which is unreal. Next time I come back here and I haven't got both the dogs, I'm definitely cycling it. It's like 18 miles from like Padstow to Bodmin. Looks unreal. I've been messing around with the drone and the GoPro at some bridge earlier, but the drone ran out of battery, so I had to stop. But now we're just pissing about, me and the old dog there. Look, Yeba, Sky. Just riding around Padstow on the BMX. It's sick. It's the sort of thing I dreamed of doing when I was a kid. Dreams. You squeak? Loving it. It's actually so much fun. What's this? Oh my god, what's that? It's a water taxi. Look at that, man. Chic. This is that track. It's literally like an old railway. I might have said that earlier, I can't remember, but it is the old railway from Bodmin to Padstow, and this is it. It's pretty much flat, considering Cornwall's hilly as hell. It's pretty much flat the whole way. It's such a nice cycle ride. Little dog, yeah, bah. And then like just the other side of these trees, which is actually the opposite side to where I'm parked. I'll show you where I'm parked up in a second. But you've literally got, look at that, can you see? It's history. Yeah, get back to the old van. I'll show you where we're parked up. Right, so the van is literally there. This is a dead end. So there's no like through traffic. There is a brand new sign up which says no camping or overnight parking, but it's literally like brand new. And I did see this spot on the Park for Night app, but it was like users only or members only, so I just went on Google Earth and then Google Earthed it, and I could see the little park up, and there was a few camper vans on Google Earth actually. So that's there. I'll put the what 3 words up where that spot is, so feel free to use it and abuse it if you want to use it. But keep saying that, but, and this is the path, so that's how close we are to the van and the car park and the park up. This is that Camel Trail jobby, and then literally that is next to where you are. It's unreal. Like, this is such a spot, and it's dead. There's no one here other than a few locals that are coming here fishing and finding logworm off the beach. That's it. There's nothing else here. It's awesome. I'll just get to this bridge. and I'll show you where we are. So there's like the, as you can see, like there's the road in there, and there's this little, whatever it is, pond, and then yeah, this is your view. So yeah, not bad at all. Based on that, not sure how interesting the video is, but it's been good, really random. Yeah, hope you enjoyed it. I think we'll close this video here, and then in the morning I'll start filming the next one. No idea where we're going to go. I think we're going to go to Polzeth tomorrow, and I'm going to have a go at some surfing. I think some dude has stopped because he thinks my dog's lost, so I'll end the video there. Sweet.